In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Higgsfield AI Zoom Out. Now, the first thing you want to do here inside Higgsfield, you want to go to Video, and then you want to click on Create Video, top left. And then from here, this is very important, you want to go ahead and, of course, go where it says General here and click on Change. And, of course, you're going to be on one of these models. Now, usually you're on the one you used prior to this generation, but what you want to do here is you want to go to the Higgsfield DOP here in the top left, and inside Higgsfield DOP, you'll be able to find the Earth Zoom Out. If you can't find it, go to the top right and type in Zoom, and it should pop up Earth Zoom Out, so just click on that. Of course, they have a bunch of different ones here, you can use them, but this time we're just going to be doing basically the Earth Zoom Out. They do have different zoom outs over here, which is like the dolly zoom out, the zoom out, and stuff like that. You can play with these and see what they do, but we're going to use the Earth one because I think that's the one you're looking for, so click on that, and from here you'll have to put in your first frame, so your image. So I'm going to click on here where it says upload image. I'm going to upload in the image, click on open. There we go. You can also put in the end frame if you want to, which is optional, and then you can also put in a prompt if you wanna. I'm not going to because it's not necessary, and then here you can just basically generate the video. Now here I'm going to show you what actually happened when I did this. So I put in this image, that specific image I selected over here, and if I now play this, as you can see, this now did this very cool zoom out effect over here, and of course if I were to choose any of different ones over there, I'd be able to get that result as well. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.